Welcome back to my backyard snack yard. It's been a few weeks now since our builders left and the weather has turned, so we have some of the plants that have been overwintering indoors outside now. This, for example, is a beautiful lemon tree and it's full of beautiful flower buds, so I thought it would just enjoy being outside. It's getting used to being back outside again. It's got some baby lemons on it too. One right here, for example, very cute. So it's just getting reaccustomed to being outside again. So I've left it in a shaded spot while it gets used to it. But I wanted to show you how the garden is recovering after the onslaught of the builders being here. It was really covered with loads of debris and rubble. So we've had a lot of work to clear it out. We've just gotten rid of it all and it's looking so much better. We've added lots of new soil to it, dug some of the plants up and replanted them, all that kind of thing, and pruned the ones that were broken badly. These are lots of yellow raspberries and they're just in full bloom. It's wonderful to see because they were really dry and cold and damaged really not that long ago, so they're very resilient and doing so well. And right next to the beautiful raspberries, we've got the gooseberries, the European gooseberries, I should say. And some of them are already setting some berries. Look at that. All the way long. I mean, a lot of the branches did actually get broken. So they're not doing as well as could have been expected. But we'll still get some gooseberries, and that's the main thing. The plants survived. It's a huge bonus. Looking really nice here. The rhubarbs died, but maybe it will recover. I'm going to give it some feedings. That's what I've been doing a lot of. Been giving these plants lots of feed. Look at all the strawberries too. We've got 3 different kinds growing here. We've got, these ones are pine breeze, so they're white strawberries that taste a bit of pineapple. They're really tasty. And oh look, there's some wild garlic there. We do have wild garlic everywhere. And yeah, regular big strawberries too, red ones. And then also we have some that are called framberries, which are red strawberries, really tasty ones that just taste really good. And I meant to have a bit of a raspberry flavor to them. See, there's still some rubble here, which I haven't quite removed, but we're working on it. It's getting better. So over here we've actually managed to top layer it with some nice fresh compost. And we've got lots of little peas peeking up here. Sweet. And we've got some lovely, these are white currants. Look, some of them are setting as well. Here. And over here, this one's quite fruitful. It didn't get damaged too much. It's got lots of berries coming there. These are super tasty. They look like grapes as they mature. And of course these ones are white. And they're like little tiny jewels on a string. So delicious and so sweet. And these ones are called white Versailles, and they're actually supposed to be quite resistant to powdery mildew, which these kind of berries can be prone to. So that's a bonus. And of course the beautiful rose bush, my favorite rose bush, is starting to bloom now. They smell amazing, these roses. So all in all, the garden is doing really well after the builders were here. We're really thankful it's all coming back to life. And watering can there. I've got a big bunch of, well, 2 big pots of mulch here. 1 big pot of mulch. It's basically I've done some wood chipping. So I'm going to be actually using this. I thought to use it on the strawberry bed because we're having amazing weather. The sun's out, it's just looking stunning here. And I just think it'd be quite handy to keep things a little bit more moist, to retain that water with a bit of mulch. So I wanted to make use of all the little wood chippings I just got. Look at these apples coming. All these baby apples everywhere. Oh my goodness. Such a wonderful sight to see. But yes, the garden is really recuperating well. Let me just show you around another little area. This is the area that has my kiwi plant. And it didn't look very promising not that long ago. But everything is doing fine. It's all doing fine. There are lots of little flower buds on the loganberry. And the kiwi berry flower buds are fattening up, getting ready to pop open, and they're everywhere. It's covered in them. I think that one in particular is ready to pop. These are the red raspberries, and they're doing really well too. Here are some more roses that are coming too. I love these ones in particular. It's all looking so beautifully summery already. The hardy geraniums have just been woken up by the sunshine. They're looking so beautiful and sunny. As are the peonies. This is going to be a really big white one called Shirley Temple. Got some Dutch irises here too. And some cornflowers. Perennial ones. Everything looks extra beautiful when the sun shines. So I hope you're enjoying the weather wherever you are, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.